What's up, guys? Sorry, I think that's a funny start. But anyways, another quick after action review. This is actually me chasing Sean again up Las Flores. Las Flores Canyon Road is one of my favorite roads, but unfortunately with the Palisades fire, at least the bottom portion is extremely bumpy, and honestly messed up from the fires. I think it got too hot and the road started bubbling over, and they had to repave the road, and it's temporary pavement, so the bumps are just horrible for the bike. But anyways, the latter 2/3 of the road is absolutely beautiful, and I'll show some of these clips coming soon of me chasing Sean on the Streetfighter V2 up Las Flores. I hope you guys are enjoying this chasing content. My bike is still out of commission, unfortunately, but without further ado.
Las Flores Canyon Road, Malibu's fast track from the Pacific up into the Santa Monica Mountains. It starts tight and bumpy at the bottom, a reminder of the scars left by past wildfires. But as you climb, the pavement smooths out and the turns begin to flow. It's a mix of technical grit and high-speed sweepers, rewarding riders who can adapt on the fly. Two-way traffic keeps you honest, but the elevation, the rhythm, and the views make every corner worth it.
What? Where'd he go? Did they go in front of you? Did they go in front of us, or where did they go?
I think he passed Las Flores.
Oh.
Yeah. What now?
Well, let me call Ross to meet us up here.
Okay, do you want to have him meet us at the bottom?
Oh, they're right there.
Oh, okay, cool. I didn't know where you guys were going.
Where would you guys go?
I was following him, he passed.
Oh.